Stop spending hours planning meals. This IA tool generates personalized recipes instantly based on ingredients you have at home. Here's how creators and small businesses are saving time daily. Manual recipe planning wastes creator time. IA recipe generators analyze your pantry, dietary preferences, and cooking skill level to deliver customized meals instantly. Perfect for freelancers juggling multiple projects who need quick, nutritious solutions without research. This tool eliminates decision fatigue and keeps you productive. We tested 3 leading platforms. ChefGPT offers business batch cooking, Paprika integrates gameplay stiff. Flavorish provides meal prep automation, and Paprika integrates shopping lists seamlessly. Each excels differently. Chef cooking, Paprika for business batch cooking, Paprika for budget-conscious creators. All 3 integrate with your smartphone and sync across devices effortlessly. Integrate with your first, download your chosen app and create an account. Take 60 seconds. Upload your pantry items using photo recognition or manual entry. Set dietary preferences, allergies, and cuisine type. Hit generate and get 5 recipes instantly. Bookmark favorites for recurring use. Sync across devices for seamless access anywhere, anytime. Users report 15-20 hours monthly saved on meal planning. Small business owners batch recipe prep for team lunches effortlessly. Creators maintain consistent nutrition without breaking workflow. Cost reduction averages 25% through smart ingredient utilization. These tools pay for themselves through productivity gains and reduced food waste significantly. Tools pay for themselves through productivity gains and reduced food use that save you time and money. Like this video, comment your favorite recipe below and hit that notification bell.